Welcome to the Teggy Elite Detailing Show, where we have Teggy.
And we only do weird cars.
All right, so walk us through what's going on today. We have a 1 of 200 Mitsuoka Yuga.
Yeah, I didn't even know this
car,
thing
I haven't been
even
excited
existed.
for you to detail something in a long time.
Like
this, I think is really going to pop once you're done. And it's a double R, so.
Yeah, it is double R. How does this even, I don't even know.
You gotta press the button and then it goes back down.
No, it doesn't.
It does, bro.
Nah, no, it doesn't.
It
Bro.
does,
Stop
it does.
it, dude. Stop it.
But yeah, what's the
Stop
plan
it.
for this one?
I think we're gonna do another mini detail on it. I'm just curious to see how the paint's gonna be because I know we're getting rid of this thing like ASAP. So
Right now it's like an egg color. You think it's gonna turn white or the
I
color
think
is
it's
just
gonna turn white.
egg?
Yeah, I mean, look how dirty it is. Look how dirty it is. Look how. I mean, white. You know, white. You always see like everything.
Yeah,
you know, you can see all the contaminants. You can see how nasty it is. You got a bent wheel, which is pretty fire.
Do I really?
Yeah, look.
Oh wow.
You got a bent wheel. That's pretty fire.
That's unfortunate.
Yeah, on the Volks.
Do you have anyone that can fix that?
Yeah, we can. We can definitely fix that. But we're gonna prep the car. We're just spraying our degreasers. We spraying our iron removers. Degreasing these wheels.
What was the reason for getting it on the Rams?
For the undercarriage.
Oh, okay.
For the undercarriage. I wanted to, because remember, we didn't put the wheel on there because I was a silly banana. So what is Mitsuoka exactly?
It's a company where they take, I guess you could say.
Because it has a Nissan motor, so is it like...
It's a Nissan Cube though, the car.
Oh, it's a Nissan Cube.
Yeah, but Mitsuoka, what they do is they'll like take the hood, the fenders. There's a Mitsuoka 55. I'll show you what it looks like. It's a Honda Civic.
Okay.
But it looks like a Challenger, and it's pretty cool.
Why do Japanese people like doing this type of stuff?
Yeah, they even have a Mitsuoka Rockstar. It's an ND Miata. And it looks like a C5
like this
Corvette.
reminds me of like a Mira walkthrough. Like everything's different, you know. All this, every single Way Before the Fame car has to get at least a Teggy touch on it, a Kim touch. I can't believe they just changed everything, which is absolutely insane.
Do you respect Mitsuoka? Because
I can appreciate the craftsmanship.
Yeah.
I can definitely appreciate the craftsmanship.
Like the whole trunk is different.
Yeah, that's crazy.
All of this is different.
Yeah, I could definitely appreciate the craftsmanship. It's mad heavy too. Now we're gonna clay it. We're gonna get rid of all this trap dirt in the paint. It's actually pretty smooth, to be honest with you, which I'm really surprised.
I like the plaid door cards.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. All right, so the car's clean. It's ready to roll. Let's take it down. And we'll tape it up and start polishing it.
Polishing?
Polishing. We start giving it a little kielbasa. You know, a little pierogi action, and that's it.
I like the egg color. Like I like that it's not white.
Yeah, it's an egg white.
It looks more expensive. All jokes aside.
It does.
Like I think if it was like this, it wouldn't look as.
Is this supposed to be like writing?
Yeah, it's supposed to be embossed.
Okay.
Yeah, sadly it's gone.
Yeah, and then we're gonna seal it up with double check the interior.
It'll look with this.
Yeah, now we gotta polish these.
Yeah.
We gotta polish these. Check out this Nissan. Nice and clean, dude.
I'm happy that this was the last one we did because this one I feel like was gonna have the biggest transformation.
I can't believe how nice the paint looks. You see how nice the...
Yeah.
I mean, that's just the one step. Imagine if you went crazy.
And that was the plan too.
I know, that was the plan.
If it wasn't for it being sold so quickly.
That was the plan. But
yeah, all the chrome looks nice and clean.
Yeah, just a little polish on the chrome is...
The glass,
really
all
nice.
the door handles.
Yeah. I kind of wish we went crazy on that. I kind of wish you kept this.
Yeah, me too. I'm not going to lie. I have
after a nice one. I mean, the paint's like not in the best shape, but I mean, what year is this?
2000.
Yeah, so for a 25-year-old car.
Yeah.
It's a 26-year-old car.
But even all this, like,
yeah,
the little things, like the bumper, you can really see our reflection.
I think we can have to just double check it tomorrow. And
well, yeah,
we got to do these wheels.
Yeah.
We got to slap these wheels on. And it's going to go to a new home. Even the interior is dialed in. Looks good. Looks nice and clean.
Smells really good.
Smells good. And we didn't even go that ham. We didn't go that crazy. But I think this is nice. I think this is good for anybody. This one-step correction. And a nice sealant. It feels good too.
Maybe I do like a giveaway where like...
I think we should do a giveaway, yeah. You want to do a giveaway?
Because like on these cars, it really makes a huge difference. On something like this, it makes a difference. But like on something that's never been detailed in its whole life.
Yeah, it's such a big...
Yeah. Like the transformation is...
I mean, it was so dull before.
Yeah, no. It looks like...
I can't believe how good it looks.
Yeah, me neither.
I'm surprised.
And that's saying a lot.
That is saying a lot. But yeah, wash, clay, decon, one-step polish, ceramic sealant, mini interior detail, engine bay detail. I think it's just enough to get any K car looking nice. It's not perfect. It's not bad anymore. It's right in the middle.
In my opinion, it's pretty...
It's a nice enhancement. Well, you think this...
I don't think it's right in the middle because, like, come on.
Yeah, I know, but this is a nice enhancement.
To me, it's a solid 7.
Yeah, I would say 6.5.
6, 7. All right, well, yeah, we're going to come back tomorrow. These wheels are going to be installed. They're going to be nice and polished. Then we're going to get in the sun, and it's really going to pop.
Yeah, we got to see this outside.
Yeah, outside is going to make a huge difference.
Like, we haven't even seen these outside.
I know.
Damn, this thing is sick. Wow. They like got in everywhere. Wow.
Well, you see what I mean by the airbrushing?
Yeah, that's really nice.
Like, I don't know if you could really tell, but there's airbrush like red. Also.
Yeah, I'm looking at it like here.
Yeah. And then like the white, you see what I mean? I think that's what separates it from like most people who just do this. Like they'll add that little flavor in there.
Yeah. I'm actually surprised how nice it looks.
I know, you're front on it. I'm happy that...
I mean, I want to see it like in the daylight, but I'm actually like...
After a nice wash too?
Yeah, like after we washed it. Like I'm really curious.
Even up here has like white, like, you see?
Yeah, I see.
Like it's really
it's just dust.
No.
Oh, it's like actual.
Yeah. There's even like smoke gray somewhere
look,
here.
right over here.
Yeah. No, they went in. These are my guys. Look, it's right here. Look.
No side garage. That's sick.
And then.
That's sick.
But hey, so it's the next day, and I'm still in the Mini doing the passenger pickup. If anyone buys a car from WayBeforeTheFame garage and you're willing to drive it all the way home, I will be picking you up in one of these cool little cars. Yeah, so I'm here with the homie Seth. We finally picked the car up. We are trying to diagnose exactly what's going on with this Mira. I had ideas of driving it around the block. I wanted someone to be here. That way, if it died, I'll have someone to help me push it. But I'm now realizing that under load, it just... You're in reverse? Oh, you're in park? But yeah, it's really bad now. Update. We are now picking up the Yuga. What's your first impressions on it? Although we've been looking at it for a little bit.
I don't even know.
Right?
Strange.
It's such a strange, but now it looks mint. I mean, we had to take that off. We had to take the caps off because I don't have the right bolts to lock in the caps. But oh my God. This thing looks like several millions of bucks. Look at the wheels. Look at the chrome on the bumper. Chrome above the plates. Chrome over the handles. The door handles here. Interior is mint. Mirrors, every single, even this, they actually spiced up this as well. But wow, this is a before. We're about to go on a crazy road trip, but at least you can see how it looked straight out of Teggy's. Before we end this video, I want to give an update on the Mira walkthrough. I feel like we came to a realization that I indeed need to drop the tank again. This was my old fuel pump that was inside. Maybe I can technically put this back, but to be honest, this is also for Mira, so I think I'm just going to go ahead and use this. I still have the bag here, some of the wires that came on the box. I'm not sure why I would have to splice this in. That's pretty interesting. But yeah, it's no longer popping a fuse. I mean, I can see if I could try to start it right now. I feel like I'm just killing my starter over and over when I do this. I think it's just not getting the right amount of fuel. You hear that? And I feel like it just has to be a fuel issue. Like, I'm gonna try it 2 more times and we're done, because I'm not trying to make this worse. Alright, last time. Yeah, I mean, it'll start. You guys saw it in the other clip with the homie Seth. We're gonna do the road trip tomorrow. And yeah, hopefully when I get back, I find some time where I can just jack up the car again, swap over the fuel pump, and I want to pray that all my problems will be solved. I just want to hear you guys yell, some more time, doesn't want to start. But anyways, Island is here. Thank you guys for watching. Yuga looks great. Mira walkthrough doesn't look too bad. Just trying to get this thing started so I can ship it to Tennessee and the homie Adrian can start working on it. I can't do that at the moment because those clips I was showing you earlier, we were putting our foot all the way down on the gas and the car wasn't moving at all. So it isn't even too much about it starting at this point. We were foot all the way down on the gas and it just wouldn't move. So we had to actually push it here. So I think it has to be fuel. It has to be fuel. It has to be fuel. So I'm going to try that again. I actually ordered another fuel pump. Worst case scenario, that's going to be here in 2 weeks. But thank you guys for watching. Catch you on the next one. Japan in about 4 weeks. California, Texas, and Tacoma coming very soon. And hopefully... Man, I got to get this thing dropped off. Like, this is my biggest goal right now, is to get this car dropped off in Tennessee prior to April. That way, I have nothing to worry about. I come back in July. It's perfect. And we can start driving it again. We can start going to Carmington. We can start going to Montreal. Peace out.
Remember the name. This is way before the fame.